Yo everybody, this is Rob the Great, aka the Toy Book, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a diorama, toy photography, action figure tip. Just a quick little video just to fill in some space. Definitely go check out my last few videos. I put a lot of work into them. They are blowing up. Definitely check those out. But just because a video is little and short does not mean that it is good. We're all stuck in quarantine, and you might be asking, why do I have this container of orange juice? Well, you can't go out right now, or you shouldn't, says the government, go out right now to go get craft supplies and diorama stuff and everything. So lately I've been trying to use parts that are around the house for projects. And you'd be surprised the stuff you can get from a orange juice container. You could use the cap. The cap is a hard plastic. You could use that for greeblies. You could use that on your projects, in your diorama. Once you spray paint everything one color, or put your base color on everything, the caps blend in pretty nicely. And you could also use this part, like this. It looks like a little valve or something. You rip this out, this is still plastic, that's a valve. You could use the cardboard, let it dry, wash it, let it dry, and this is a pretty good thick cardstock that you can use on your dioramas. I am going to be using this. I'm going to wash this out. The reason for today's video is, oh hey, enjoying that free content? Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, even if you have nothing to say. The YouTube algorithm would love it, and you'd be supporting my channel, so I could bring you more free content. Thanks for watching. Get back to the video. You know that little pull tab that you guys do? You pull it out here. Well, this is going to be an accessory in your diorama, and you're not even gonna know it yet. So all you're gonna want to do is you take that little pull thing out that holds the liquid into the orange juice container, and you're gonna just take a little knife, X-Acto knife, or even a scissor if you don't have an X-Acto knife, if you're too young. You just cut that little tiny piece on the top off, and what do you have? You have a dish or a bowl for your 1/12 scale action figures. And this is a nice hard plastic, and you're going to be drinking a lot of orange juice or things around the house. You're going to get a bunch of these, and you're going to have a bunch of plates for your kitchen diorama, for your restaurant diorama, or anything like that. You're also recycling, so it's good for the environment. I'm not a preacher, so I don't really care. You can throw them into the ocean if you want. But I, for saving money-wise, like to use everything and not throw things out. I thought this was a really cool thing. I was just looking at it today when I was drinking my orange juice, and I said, that's a cool idea. That's for dioramas, and that's a nice video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope everyone's holding up. I'm business as usual. I'm pumping out dioramas, I'm pumping out videos. My @TheToyBookie Instagram is where I'm posting all my updates, so if you're interested in my projects and things I'm working on, you can go there. I also have a Facebook like page, like Rocco the Great, The Toy Book. I have 2 Facebook pages if you're interested on there. They're like pages, so you can like them and you can get some updates. And I'm also on Twitter. My Twitter is where I post video updates, so if you're not getting them in the subscription box, definitely check out the Twitter. Each video automatically uploads a link there. So that's it, everybody. I'm out of breath. I gotta go back on my train diorama. I'm doing a 1/12 scale train with lights and everything. It's crazy. I'm working on some of the ads on the top of the train right now. So thanks for watching. This is your boy Rocco the Great, aka the Toy Bookie, and I am signing out. Peace. Do you like toy photography? Do you like tricks and tips? Then follow me over at the Toy Bookie on Instagram. Are you into art? Graphic design? Sexy Rocco? Follow me at Rocco the Great. Bye. I'm a dying.